So this is Forest Factory. It's the news. The first thing to do is these are too much. All right. We have yellow folder, we have orange folder, and we have red folder. I only want the red folder to appear. So I'm going to go to my top right-hand corner. I'm going to click on filter. I will uncheck this. I will uncheck this. I will uncheck everything except the red folder. I will apply the filter. So you see, the news is not so much again. But guys, this week is a bloody week. NFP has been shifted to the second Friday. This happened in February. So, but for this week, we have look at red. Tuesday, red. Wednesday, red. So please be careful with your trade setups. So now we have AUD, the Reserve Bank of Australia. The governor, his name is Bullock. How can a man's name be Bullock? He's one that will be speaking. All right, by 4 a.m. on Tuesday morning. If you are busy during the day and you trade at night, so this is a good setup. I promise you, this guy will spike. AUD and NZD, they don't play with their news. Okay. Then by 4 p.m. we have the consumer confidence. Now on Wednesday we have CPI, AUD CPI by 130 and NZD official cash rate. This is interest rate. If you are interested in NZD, please take a look at this guy on Wednesday morning. That's Tuesday night. Make sure you know they sleep on top bicycle. All day there's going to be Euro news all day. All right. Then after that we have preliminary GDP, gross domestic product, quarter by quarter for what's this guy's name, USD. Then we have the governor of the Bank of England, Bailey, is also going to be speaking by 4:05 p.m. On Thursday, Chinese yuan. You're going to be having the manufacturing PMI. This is the producers manufacturing index. Okay. Then all day, OPEC, guys, oil money. Then you have Canadian gross domestic product month by month and the unemployment rate. So the unemployment that is this Friday is for Canada, but the next Friday is going to be the NFP. So there's no NFP this week, but market is still bloody this week. Okay. Now I don't really bother much about the news because if markets will buy from a technical standpoint. If it will sell from a technical standpoint. Markets will just go and buy or sell in the middle of nowhere. No. So, but this is just for you to know. So you can focus on AUD pairs, USD pairs, NZD pairs, CAD pairs, so that you will have enough volume. You will hit your target on time. And for those who are trading for firms too, that's why I see, or that's how I interpret the market here. Okay, I can go into deep details of what the fundamentals are, but no, that's not what this night is meant for. Okay, so basically, look at the DXY is approaching. It's just dancing around the demand zone. Simple. It's just dancing around the demand zone. If I look at it on the weekly, this is what I'm going to see. Let me go back to the monthly. So look at something in the monthly. So we are expecting an uptrend. It was coming down, just like what we did. No. You see, that's even broken all the uptrend before. So it was coming down. It was coming down, right? It was coming down. It's coming down. Then it broke the first one, broke the second one. Then the next is we're expecting a buy up. Okay. So, but that buy, we don't know if it's going to happen now or it will still go inside. All right. Market may still go deeper. Now, let me show you two places where market is likely to turn. First place is here, the order block. The order block. Why did I call it the order block? See, a lot of persons are going to be buying at this point. A lot of persons are going to be buying at that point. And they'll put their stop loss here. They'll put their stop loss. Plenty buyers at this point. They'll buy. But this market came out and swept them. The market swept their Comot. So as market swept their Comot, we know that this is the handwork of the institutions. This is the first place, okay? The market is likely going to touch. So don't be moved by any value of the dollar now. No, don't be moved. Allow market to get inside this place. Okay, so I'm going to label it as weekly order block. Correct. Then this one inside is now the weekly demand. The first green candle that moves up or that moved up. So we have the drop, the base, and the rally. That makes up the demand zone. So I'm going to change the color to make something like, okay, good. So I have a weekly demand here. Okay. So you see, so I have the weekly order block and I have the weekly demand level. Whichever one, if market gets into this place, all right, I'm going to maybe 4 hours daily, 1 hour to look for my strategy, which is divergence. That's what I'm going to look at for. It must happen inside this place. If I see divergence outside here, I will not listen to it. If a divergence happens here, I'm going to put in my money. If it happens within this demand zone, I can throw my house right inside. All right. Look at this now. Some people can add the weeks. If you want to add the week, it's up to you. Okay. But for me, for proper entry, I don't want to use the weeks, because weeks is just a point of negotiation. How high price went in that period and how low price went in that period. Okay. So I'm just going to use the beginning. Okay. So this is going to be my expectation. It's called expectation. We are not predicting. No. I'm not predicting. This is going to be my expectation. The market should come inside this place, then it will go back up. All right. So that's my expectation for DXY, ladies and gentlemen. What does this mean? I'm expecting DXY to still go down. If USD is going down, that means USDCHF, I'm expecting it to sell. USD CAD, I'm expecting it to sell. Let's look at them. USD CAD and USDCHF. Bam, guys, look at it. The same thing. You see what I'm telling us? I'm expecting it to sell. It has been selling since. We have called this, like, since when? Since when did we call this guy out? We called it since this place. All right, since this place we called it. And look at this has been drawn since. All right, so we're expecting this guy to land where? To land inside this box. Okay, that's where we're expecting the guy to land. All right, then USD CAD. Let's also see if the guy is still going to honor the same thing. You see, the guy too is coming into that same box. We also expect him to sell into this. Why? Because DXY is, don't be surprised. DXY is like the mother of all currency. So this is it. We don't trade DXY, but we use DXY as our compass to know what's going on in the market. All right. Then that means AUDUSD will continue buying to a particular zone that is close. AUDUSD, NZUSD, GBPUSD, EURUSD, and gold. They will keep buying until they get to a close zone. There's going to be a zone that is very close. So let's check it. You see, go up, guys. See, look at the zone. Look at how close the zone is. Now look at DXY. See the zone below. I said it will come down and go up. If I invert this scale now, it will be the same thing. Look at it. This guy will go up and come down. That is what's going to happen also for what do you call it? Look at it. It will go up and we expect it to come down. See it? Then NZUSD, the same thing. Okay, the same thing. The zone is above here. Let's look at the zone in the weekly. Look at the zone here. This is the zone here on the weekly. So we expected it to go up, then drop from here. Euro USD. Guys, look at this. This has been marked weeks before, but you see now we expected it to go up into the zone before it drops again. Then GU, the same thing. Get up into the zone, then drop. Then go. You see, go to the same thing. Get into the zone. Look at this big zone. I'd already drawn this blue zone. Look at it here. Rally, base, and drop. So we are there. Okay, so anything can happen. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Looking at what we have been analyzing before. So we have this guy up, we have this guy down, this guy went up, okay, this guy down. So when this guy broke this guy, we're in a downtrend. Okay, you see, we sold again. Where did you sell? We sold in this area, this drop, base drop, this continuation, and it was a previous support becoming resistance. So now we were expecting market to do the same thing, go back up and start selling, but market didn't do that. Market broke. So that means we're expecting a buy. This is weekly. Okay, this is daily. Now, where are we expecting market to buy from? So there are two things you can do. If you are skilled in this thing, you can do what we call counter trend trading. You can do a counter trend from here because you know, say this guy go reverse, okay, but that's risky. It is just an assumption. When market gets here, it will definitely react. But what kind of reaction? Is it strong enough to give you what you're looking for? So, but me, the two places I'm going to be waiting for a buy is here. This place here, then this place here. These are the two demand zones I'll be looking forward to buying. So that's a weekly, okay, sorry, it's a daily demand. So let me just call it a demand zone. Good. So that's what I'll be expecting, where the market is going to be buying from. Hope that makes sense. So now, my expectation, this is where waiting comes in. My expectation is to wait till market gets here and continue going up. So at this point, I will now use Fibonacci. If market decides to reverse, I will now use Fibonacci to know where the market is going to stop again. Okay, but if that be not the case, let's go to weekly. Let's see the bigger picture. Wow, the same thing we've been saying. Look at this guy was coming down before, let's follow it carefully. See what I was saying? It did as if it was going to buy. Sometimes you fail. But see, now market broke it finally, we are going up. You said broke it again, we're going up. It came here. And if you check, where did it move up? It moved up in that same place, in the base. Okay, so that's why some people that are using weeks, they will enjoy it week to week. So weekly, you are in an uptrend. Just be careful for this guy in this area like this. In this area, you can have some sell, some short-term sell. Check the body to the week. Let me show you this guy. You see, so take the week to the body. This is the body. This is the last body. Okay, you project it to the front. Then I will give you an idea that okay, it's possible that there is a sell that's going to happen here. It's just a possibility. I don't know. It's a resistance zone. So that's a resistance. So market is approaching resistance zone. So if you find any of your confirmations here, you could take it. Okay, but if you go to 4 hours, look at 4 hours. So you see, wait, when market enter here, then look for your confirmation. You can sell down to this place. It's a good sell. Okay, it's a good sell. You can sell down to this place. That's like 1,000. No, it's US30. It moves like 1,400 pips. It moves. This is 4 hours. Okay, you can do anything. You can add counter trend. All right. No, this counter trend is too big. Use the immediate one. You can use the immediate counter trend. Right. Use the immediate. So there are different strategies. You can decide to use moving average. There's going to be a big move in the market. That's why this guy is slowing down like this. Okay. So from my own perspective, if we look at this guy, we would be getting ready for a reaction. So, but the main money that you should care about is in these junctions. It's in this junction. But if you want more assurance, just go to the weekly. Go to the weekly. What do you call it? This is a supply zone. It's in the supply zone, but it's not giving you anything yet. See, there's nothing yet. No proper price action. Okay. If you want to leave it that way, leave it that way. So if I'm you, I'll go by the weekly. Just take advantage of this guy. Okay. So that's all. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we will only be talking maybe once a week, but the course, you can always have the course with you all the time. There are quite a number of things I've spoken about in the course, especially in this part, this advanced divergence trading. Only in this part, you have multi-time frame, you have divergence and support and resistance, you have divergence at demand. You see that? I really spend time on demand and supply. Over 1 hour, almost 1 hour, sorry, on demand and supply. And I also, we have chart patterns. Then everywhere we have assignment. Every part have assignment. See, every part has assignment. Market structure has assignment. Technical analysis has assignment. Okay. If you buy the video course, you're going to have the PDF in addition to it. All right. You're going to have the PDF. Then we have bonus courses. Under the bonus courses, I have the entry confirmations. My 4 entry confirmations are here. I have the CREST formula. Then we have over 70 examples. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your time, guys. We're going to continue on the group. Tread carefully and tread carefully. If skin no food, waiting, come on, body. Bye-bye.